Come on. Little asshole. Come on. So, dude, what's up with your mouth? Come on. Sit. Good. Heel. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. Good. God dog, man. Come on. Ready? Down. My hand motion too soon. Ready? Middle. Good. I'm gonna go over food. Ready? Come on. Come on. And back. Good. Ready? Heel. Because I don't know what's happened. Look. Come on. I want to blame it on the fact that we never get out here alone. Come on. Come on. It's not because he doesn't get enough food. Dude, what's up? Huh? What's up with you? Ready? Here. That was a weird one, right? Come on. Good. In the front. Too soon to help. Good. On the side. I think your hands in the pocket are bad too, right? So see, he's ugly. You can fix him up. Ready? Down. And middle. Good boy. In the heel. You took the easy way? Oh, the big ass smile on his face when he did it too. Come on. Come on. Ready? Come on. Ready? Yay, good. Down. Heel. Is it because we haven't done enough fun stuff? And I even when I brought him with flirt pole, come on, buddy. What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing, fool? Come on. He's like, bitch, give me food. Hey, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. He's like, this is where I always walk, dude. We've been doing the fun stuff. Come on, buddy. We ain't been doing the fun stuff. You got a poo-poo? Ready? And back. Good. Reward forward. What's your deal, bro? Buddy boy? Huh? What's your deal, buddy boy? You ain't been wanting to work in a while. I haven't been able to bring him out enough by himself. Have I? Have I? I get the opportunity once a week. At least. Okay, go ahead. Probably need to put him back on the long line work too. Right, so he earned so much freedom, and then we start working, thing goes to shit, right? Oh boy. What was I gonna say? I don't know, dude. How to rebuild the work enthusiasm, right? So for a while I thought it was because, and I still blame it on this, is being in groups too much. And it's not that he likes being with the dogs that much, because he could care less. But we started doing a lot of work in group time, and he kind of doesn't like it, right? So you want to be more encouraging and more fun, but he don't care. He's very independent now. Look at him. I don't give a fuck what you're doing. But for the longest time, I kept him 3 or 4 days a week. I would get him out by himself. The last year, maybe especially this year, I haven't been able to. But I think all last year it went down to 1 or 2 days. And even changing the routines, right? That's another way. You change your routine. So that's another thing I got away from doing all those, what is that shit called? The problem solving stuff and the kind of agility kind of stuff. We never really did agility stuff, but I put some of that with it. So it's kind of got boring, right? Oh, wait. Potential spam. Everything I get is spam. Everything I get is spam. Spam, spam, spam. Even when you put on the thing, block spam, they don't block it. I don't know, whatever. So you try to be more fun. Oh, and give them time off, right? So I give them time off in between works where we just come out and just walk, right? So I do a lot of those, right? In the afternoon, I get a lot of, I can take some of them individually in the afternoon. Do I have anything important to say? Probably not. Oh, how to make work fun again. Time off. Try. You got to be more exciting, right? Maybe go back to over rewarding, right? Maybe it's because I give them some free hot dogs. Where's my hand at? Where's the camera at? Oh, it's over there. Free hot dogs. Like when we're out here like this, when they come. So he gets a lot of freebies. But they're not really freebies because he's coming back. And he's not big like Pepper's big on affection. She don't really care about food. He prefers food. What is this? Why is that in my hand? Oh, I was gonna put it up. Oh, probably heard none of the dumb stuff I was saying. I don't know. I don't think he's really motivated by food. He works for it good. It's the only thing I can use. Oh, you're stupid.